Hello everybody, welcome back to another 09 Tuna Fish video. And today is day 4 of the countdown to Valguard opening day. Only 1 week to go. And today we are going to be talking about Flight of the Pterosaur.
Dinosaurs ruled the earth. But what if we could go back? In spring 2016, prepare for the awakening of a dinosaur land like no other at Polton's Family Theme Park. Welcome to Lost Kingdom. Only at Polton's Park.
So, Flight of the Pterosaur opened in May 2016. And is located inside of the Lost Kingdom. Its manufacturer is Vekoma, and it is a family suspended coaster. Now, let's get into the statistics. It is 19.5 to 20 meters tall, so about 64 to 66 feet. Track length of 1,295 feet to 1,295 feet, 395 meters. Top speed of 55 kilometers an hour or 34 miles per hour. Ride duration of 1 minute and 3 seconds. 0 inversions and a maximum G-force of 2.5. And yes. And it only works on one train, so yeah, and it is of course themed to flying like, you know, a pterosaur, the dinosaur, you know. And yes, this is a very quick video. If you guys did enjoy it, please leave a like and leave a comment if you really want to, and also don't forget to subscribe. We are on the road to 200 subscribers, so any help would be greatly appreciated. So, and yes, I'll see you in the next 09 Tuna Fish video. Bye. And also, 1 week to go till Valguard opening day.